Good morning, everybody. How are things going today? Hope you had a good weekend, even though the weather wasn't so hot. Hope you had some good time with family, maybe connected with some friends and whatnot. So today's test day, chapter 35 on circuits, series, parallel, and combination circuits. It's a shorter test in terms of number of questions, but I want to share with you the last 6 questions are not 1-point multiple choice questions. Numbers 15, 16, and 17 are worth 2 points, and numbers 18, 19, and 20 are worth 4 points. So they're all multiple choice questions, but that would constitute the problem solving page from the past, just put in a multiple choice question format. Okay? Otherwise, make sure you submit your homework. My goal for the day today is to make sure your electric bills are entered into the gradebook. So I'll be working on that today. And I think that's it. Tomorrow we're going to jump into chapter 36. We're going up to 36 and 37 are the highest we're going to go, and then we'll drop back and pick up a couple chapters here as we finish up May. So drop questions in the discussion board if you need to. Get your decision day video. I'd love to see you. It's one way I can at least see you and see what you're doing, see your smiley faces. So anyways, good luck on the test. You have between 9:30 and 3:30 to complete it and get your homework submitted. And if you haven't done the electric bill, if you want to get that into today's gradebook, please submit that today as well. All right, good luck. Remember, use your notes.